Okay guys, this is a tiny home on a trailer with a calm blue nuance concept, and this house has a small terrace with several chairs and potted plants. I will convey several interior designs that are identical to this tiny house in this video. This tiny home is painted a calming blue and has a large window on one side. This large window provides enough natural light during the day and also has an impact on the feel of the room and a relief of the room. And there is a loft bed in this house, and the floor is made of wood. And the atmosphere of this house is quite comfortable with the composition and texture of materials as well as blue color in a smart space. This house has a comfortable living room with a white sofa and white chairs. There is a white kitchen, which is an element that plays quite a role in balancing the color composition of the dominant calm blue color in this tiny home. Placing furniture with the form of a refrigerator in such a way makes the space more effective in terms of space. Cupboards above the kitchen are able to provide effective use of space in this area. Large window also give the impression of the like space and don't give occupants the impression of being too heavy inside. There is a bathroom with a bath, shower, and toilet. In this bathroom, there is a slight blue accent as a synergy of the color composition of the exterior and the basic color concept of this tiny home. The bathroom has a small window on one side and an exhaust fan, which plays an important role in bathroom air circulation. The mosaic floor makes it easier to maintain regularly in this bathroom, and neatness and minimalism are important in this tiny home. With a tiny home design approach with a calm blue color concept like this, in my opinion, it is enough to give a cool feel to the interior atmosphere. However, in my opinion, needs to be a balance of interior elements in the form of decoration and several accents with a contrasting or bright color to give the impression that the space remains dynamic and not too cramped in a tiny home. What do you think about this tiny home design with a calm blue concept like this? Please write in the comment column below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And thank you very much for watching until the end on this channel, and just look forward to our next video, to the next content. Bye bye.